for the simple interest, how can we calculate by using the formula PTR by 100? Means here P is the principal, T is the time, how much time we have given, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, like, and R is the rate of interest. Rate of interest means like how much they have given for interest, 1%, 2%, 3%. Like that we will calculate by using the simple interest. So in the compound interest, what will happen means, suppose the amount P is there, like 2000 rupees. The amount 2000 rupees it is there here. So here we will calculate the simple interest. Means here time will be given 1 year and the rate of interest will let us be like 2%. So we will calculate by using the PTR by 100 simple interest, and here we will get the simple interest, some value we will get, some value, some answer we will get value like X. Then again after getting the simple interest, we will calculate what? Amount. What is the formula for amount? Principal plus interest. Principal plus interest means here the principal is 2000 rupees and the simple interest we don't know how much we will get, some like Bx. So again 2000 plus X. In this is the amount formula for the simple interest. In compound interest what we will do? We will take this amount what we have got, again this as the principal, 200 plus X, 200 plus X we will take like again principal. Again this is calculated by using the simple interest. What? PTR by 100. Here P will become P2 TR by 100. Why P2? Here amount will become, in the simple interest what we have calculated at the before, that P2 will become, means amount will become again here principal time into rate by 100. Again we will calculate some interest, it will some value will come like Y. This is the simple interest, and again we will calculate amount, simple interest plus principal. So simple interest Y, principal 2000. Again this will become the principal for the next year. So like this it will be going on. So in simple interest what we will do, for the only for one time we will calculate the interest, and by using that interest we will calculate the amount by using the formula amount plus interest. By using the formula amount is equals to principal plus interest. But here in the compound interest what we will do, we will calculate the interest, and again after calculating the interest we will calculate the amount, and this amount will again become the principal for the next year. So by year the principal amount will be increasing, the amount will be increasing in the compound interest. So here in the first year it is like 2000, in the next year it will become 2100, in the next year it will become like suppose this is 2100 and this will be again 2200. So each year it will be, the amount will be the increasing only. So the compound interest is very tough to pay. Let us know how to derive the compound interest formula. The textbook what they have given, some student like Meena, someone, she has come to the teacher and she asked for, ma'am, this method is very difficult to calculate the compound interest. We cannot calculate each time the simple interest and again amount, simple interest, amount, simple interest, amount. This is a very tough. Is there any formula to calculate the compound interest, ma'am? Like that she has asked. Then madam told, yes, it's a formula is there to derive the to calculate the compound interest. So let us know what's the formula for the compound interest to calculate and how to calculate the compound interest formula. Let us calculate the compound interest for the 2 years. So while calculating the simple interest, for the simple interest we will take for each year per annum we will take. So SA1 for the first year, SA1 means simple interest 1 for the first year, P1 R into 1, this is 1 for 1 year by 100. So what it will become? P1 R by 100. simple interest for the 1 year is P1 R by 100. So what is the formula for amount? Amount is equals to principal plus interest. So principal is like P1 and interest is P1 R by 100, and from this we will take out the common P1. What we will take out the common? P1 we will take in common. So if I take out the P1 common, here will be 1 R by 100. So P1 into 1 P1 plus P1 into R P1 R by 100. So for the amount for the first year is this one. So this amount will become the interest for the this amount will become the principal for the next year. This will be like principal 2. P2 means principal 2. So for the next year, for the second year, I will calculate as SI2. SI2 is equals to P2 into R into 1 by 100. Here I have wrote R2. Why? Because the rate of interest is same for the every year. But here P1 is different in the first year. P1 is different in the first year. P2 is different in the next year. So next P2 R by 100. Now we know that P2 is P1 into 1 plus R by 100 into R by 100. So what it will become? P1 into R? P1 R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100. Now this is the simple interest. How can we calculate the amount? Principal plus interest. Here the interest is like I2. So principal means here what it will become? P2 plus I2 what we have got? P1 R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100. And again here P2 what we have got? P2 here P1 into 1 plus R by 100 plus P1 R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100. Now we will take out 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus R by 100 common is there. So 1 plus R by 100 I will take out common, and remaining is P1 and P1R. So P1 also I will take common. So what it will be left? 1 plus R by 100, and what it will be the left here? This one will 1 plus R by 100. So P1 into 1 plus R by 100 whole square is equals to P3. Again I will explain, see. So from here I think up to here it will be understood. After calculating the simple interest for the second year, we have calculated the amount. Amount is principal plus interest. So P2 is a second year principal. What we have got? Amount is equals to this one. And I2 here it we have got. So how can we have taken the common? Here P2 is here 1 plus R by 100, here also 1 plus R by 100 is there. So 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus R by 100 I have taken it out as the common. And the remaining what it is left? P1. P1 also is the common is there. So I have taken the P1 1 plus R by 100. So what it has left now? If I take out this all this common, what it has left? 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100 it is common. So how much of the 1 plus R by 100 it is there? 2 times it has repeated. So it is P3. Calculate. This is the amount we calculated for the 2 years. So if the question has given for calculate the amount for the n years, then what is the formula to calculate for the amount for the n years? Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. This is very important formula for the n years. Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. This is for the n years. N years means we don't know, like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. Like for the 2 years means in n place we will take 2.